Good day everyone. I'm John Paul T. Laudensia from Best IT 2D, portraying the bat species. The material I use in my costume are garbage bag, old mask, I repaint it, old t-shirt, leggings, and yellow and black cartolina. I choose bat as a basis to come up with this costume. Bats are incredible and it is easy to portray. And also I choose bats because as I watched the movie of Batman, it catch my attention ever since because of the braveness and intelligence of Batman. The species name for bats is Chiropteria, which is Greek word for hand wing. That's because bats have 4 long fingers and a thumb, each connected to the next by a thin layer of skin. And the common name for bats is bat itself. The scientific classification of bats: Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Mammalia. Clade, Scrotifera. Order, Chiropteria. The special characteristics of bats. Bats are the only mammals capable of true flights, that is, flight powered by muscular movement as distinct from gliding. Bats are superhero hearing. They have special cells in their ears that make them extremely sensitive to noise. The hearing ability of some bats is so strong they can detect the sound of a beetle walking on a leaf. They hang in a dark caves at daytime and fly at night time. Bats have a long arm and hands with a long fingers. They also have thumbs shaped like hooks. They use it for clinging to trees and eating. The largest bats have a wing span. And my tagline is, I am a vengeance. I'm the knight. I will fight for those who cannot fight for themselves.